Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back. It's the Sassy Way here, and in today's video I'm reviewing the new Climax Extreme Volumizing Mascara by Nars. By the way, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I make beauty related videos just like this one and would love for you to stick around to the end and join the Sassy family, or as I like to call it, my Sass fam. Now let's jump right into the application of this mascara, and in terms of color, it just comes in one shade called Uncensored Black. Now before I apply the mascara, I'm going to curl my lashes, and then the way I apply my mascara is I always look down onto the mirror because this just helps in preventing the mascara from getting on top of the eyelid. So just start at the root and wiggle to the top of the lash. So this is what one coat of the mascara looks like, and then no mascara on this side. Now they say you can achieve extreme volume and performance in just one coat. That's why you saw me applying just one coat of the mascara. They also claim that the mascara is clump resistant, smudge resistant, and flake resistant, and I'll be testing out these claims throughout the day. And in case you're interested, the mascara is ophthalmologist tested, vegan, paraben free, basically free from all these things. On the Nars website, it says that the mascara is fragrance free, but on Sephora's website, it says that the mascara has less than 1% of synthetic fragrances, and I personally feel like it has a medium scent to it. It just smells like how a regular mascara smells, just a little stronger, nothing too perfumey though. But stick around to the end and I'll give you my full review on the mascara. Now it doesn't say anywhere on the packaging how long it will last, but if you check the website, they claim that it is a long wearing mascara. So I'll do my regularly scheduled check-ins after 2 hours and then at the end of the day to see how the mascara held up. Checking in after 2 hours, and as you can see, the mascara has already smudged under my left eye and it is starting to smudge under my right eye as well. Checking back in after 10 hours, and my eyelashes look great still. The mascara still feels really lightweight, but as you can see, it has smudged quite a bit under both my eyes. Starting off with the price, this mascara retails for 32 Canadian dollars plus tax at Sephora. And now let's see if the mascara is actually worth the price. As I mentioned earlier, this mascara is definitely scented, nothing too perfumey, but it definitely has a stronger than normal mascara scent, if that makes any sense. And then in terms of packaging, I don't really mind the matte black finish because it's pretty easy to clean. I haven't applied any eyeliner in my upper waterline or on my eyelid, but in my opinion, this mascara definitely gives an illusion that I have tight lined my upper waterline. And then in terms of its clump resistant claim, I feel like that is true because my eyelashes are not clumpy, as you can see. And again, in my opinion, that makes the mascara feel lightweight, plus it not only volumized my lashes but it lengthened them as well. The two downsides of this mascara is that one, a lot of the product comes out onto the brush, and if you don't wipe away the excess, the mascara will make your lashes clumpy. And secondly, in my opinion, this mascara is not very long lasting because as I showed you earlier, it had smudged quite a bit under my left eye in just 2 hours. So I guess according to the box, I'm not part of the 87% that saw no smudging. And so for all these reasons, I'm giving the Nars Climax Extreme Volumizing Mascara 3 out of 5 stars. And that brings us to the end of our video today. If you enjoyed it, please smash the like button. If you've tried this mascara, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Subscribe to my channel for more beauty related videos, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload my next video. Till then, bye bye.